Welcome to my tiny kitchen. I'm Gwen and I am a health and nutrition coach, and I am coming to you to talk to you about some ways that you can have a healthy summer. Today is July 4th, but we have plenty of summer left, and I want to give you 5 ways that you can make your meals healthier in the summer. It's great. The days are longer. You might be using the grill, you're outside eating and being festive with friends and family. So the first thing I'm going to recommend, and this is actually what I'm doing today, and I am mixing 95% ground beef, so 95% lean, with ground turkey. And what that's going to do is it's going to make the protein a less fattening meal. Now, if you'd like, you can also just have separate turkey burgers and then a ground beef burger as well. But as you probably already know, there's 80 and 20%, 80% fat-free and 20% fat. Just by choosing a leaner meat, you're going to save calories and fat. So that's the first way. The second way is, and I know this one is hard, right? We're used to eating chips or pretzels or things like that. But think about having some grilled vegetables. This is a zucchini. I love zucchini. Not everybody does, but think about putting some kebabs on the grill. You could put bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and zucchini, and just eat the vegetables that you like. And it's really simple to throw on with your protein. The third thing that I'm recommending is, instead of having potato salad as your starch filled with, you'll probably pick it up at the grocery store and it's got tons of mayo and added oils and lots of fat and lots of calories. One idea is to get, I just got these at the grocery store today. These are 2 types of beans, and I've never had these before. One of them is smoky barbecue. The other one is pinto and black beans, and one of them has 1 gram of fat and the other one has 0 grams of fat. So this is a great choice. You'll get some protein and you'll also get some fiber without all of the fat from the potato salad that you get at your local grocery store. Okay, then another thing that you might get at your local grocery store, which people tend to eat, is coleslaw, right? Coleslaw and potato salad, they go together. Once again, coleslaw is laden with processed oils, mayonnaise, who knows what else is in there if you're getting it at the grocery store. And instead of coleslaw, what I'm recommending is just getting some sauerkraut. Here it is, Bubby's. This is my favorite brand. This is really good for your gut health. It's actually got 0 grams of fat. And you can put it on a hot dog. If there are hot dogs at the barbecue, you can have it on the side. You could mix it in with your vegetables, and that is a great way to cut calories and fat at your picnic or barbecue or anything you're doing this summer to celebrate. And the 5th and final is for dessert. Instead of having, I don't know, brownies or some type of cake that might be served, or ice cream, and this is probably going to be the least popular, but think about having some fresh fruit. And what better than having some cold, crisp watermelon in the middle of summer? Have a watermelon seed spitting contest, cut it different ways, have some fun, but those are 5 ways that you can make summer food healthier, still enjoyable, and you can meet your health and weight loss goals.